Welcome back again, Detox Goddesses. Christine Odell here, Detox Goddess, Detox Specialist, the creator of the Divine Detox Diet, and the founder of the soon-to-open Divine Detox Monthly Membership for women only. What a delight to have you join me for the third video in my Detox Diet workshop and video series. If you have made it this far, you are most likely getting some great detox tips, secrets, recipes, and menus in the Facebook group that are helping you rethink your detox diet so you can get better results. In this video, I'm going to outline the exact blueprint you need to stay on your detox diet and have greater success with it. If you are still confused about how all the pieces of my Divine Detox Diet fit together, and more importantly, what goes into creating massive success with the Divine Detox Diet system, this is the video for you. Maybe you're new to detoxing and the Divine Detox Diet, and you aren't sure how to get started. Or maybe you're a more advanced detoxer and you aren't seeing the detox results you had hoped for, so you feel a bit discouraged. No matter where you are on your detox and healing journey, this video will show you how detox goddesses like you and me can stay on the detox diet and have greater success with it. And as some of you already know, it's what I call rocking your detox. Okay, in video 1, we talked about the first step to take towards creating detox recipes and menus that will help you get detox results so you can achieve radiant health. We did that by learning about my detox diet food formula so you know what to eat and when to eat it. Then in video 2, we covered the second step to take, and I showed you how to make a written menu plan. So now you can create your own customized detox menu and recipes with the blank menu planning template. So if you haven't seen those videos, go back and watch them now and then come back to this one. It's important that you see them so that you'll be able to follow along in this video. Today, I'm going to build on what I already shared by giving you the complete blueprint to stay on your detox diet and have greater success with it. By the end of this video, you'll have crystal clarity about the Divine Detox Diet system, and you'll see how everything fits together beautifully. I'm also going to share a step-by-step process for safely accelerating your detox journey without jumping off a cliff and going splat like I did, and then having to start all over again. Once you see this, you'll never have to worry about what the next step on your detox and healing path is again. This will help you break free of that doubt and frustration and will help you easily get the detox results you want and achieve radiant health. All right. I'm really excited to share this process today. Are you ready? Let's dig in. When you're trying to stay on your detox diet, it can be really hard because in the beginning, everything's new. Things like knowing what to eat and when to eat it, and figuring out recipes and menus that work for you, and dealing with all the cravings and the detox symptoms and emotional and social challenges that get in the way of staying on your detox diet, the diet you know will heal you if you could just stay on it until you get results and start to feel better. It's not easy, and I'm sure you are discovering that, and I understand because I've had these challenges too, and I still have some of them. So on top of that, even if you do have experience with detox dieting already, you're always looking for the 80-20. You don't want to waste time or energy So you want to find the 20% that's going to produce 80% of your results. And that's why my Divine Detox Success Path is going to save you a ton of time and a lot of headaches from spinning your wheels. This is the exact blueprint you need to stay on your detox diet and have greater success with it. Now, before we get rolling with looking at the Divine Detox Success Path I have for you today, I want to warn you a little bit that once you see the blueprint, you'll get all excited and tempted to dive in and start reading it. It gives you the complete overview on just one page, sort of a high-level view from 30,000 feet of each of the stages you need to go through as you walk the Detox Success Path. But first, I want to make things easy for you by covering the 20% that gives 80% of your results. Now, this is very simple. The 20% is having a system to follow, a simple system that walks you step by step through exactly what you need to do in each stage of your detox and healing journey. Sound too simple to be true? What I will tell you is that detox can be hard. I'll admit that because I've been through it. But the system and following the blueprint is simple. Okay, so go ahead and download your own copy of the Divine Detox Success Path and then come back so I can teach you how it works. The PDF handout link is in this post. So let's get into the details of today's video, starting with the 30,000-foot view of the Divine Detox Success Path. What I want to do is show you from our aerial view what it takes to walk the entire Divine Detox Success Path, which is your detox and healing journey towards radiant health. As you can see, there are 6 stages on the Success Path, 6 stages that walk you through a slow, steady, and safe detox system, a system you can follow all the way from being hopeful about detox to your ultimate goal of being radiant from detox. And along that success path, each stage guides you through specific milestones you will want to complete before moving on to the next stage. And as you progress through each stage, you become more confident about your detox, you become more experienced with your detox, you become more healthy with your detox, and you ultimately get the results you want without all the stress and struggle of not knowing exactly what to do, when to do it, and how long to do it. So the 20% that gets 80% of your detox results is the system itself, a success path that others like me have already traveled. So you can read the details of each of the 6 Divine Detox Success Path stages after you watch this video. On my own journey of detoxification, and with all the women I've worked with as a detox specialist, I have identified these 6 distinctive stages as stages every detox goddess needs to go through on her detox and healing journey. So that's why I call it the Divine Detox Success Path, because it's a journey, a unique path to be walked. And this detox diet system guides you on that path without all the frustration and confusion. Now, what I would love for you to do is to see which stage you think you are in on the Divine Detox Success Path right now. This is only a 1-page handout of my success path. I don't want to overwhelm you with a lot of details right now. I just want you to see how you can follow this simple system, and then in the next video, I'll share more about it. So today's action step is to read it over and determine where you are on the detox path. Then share the stage that you feel fits the best in our Facebook group. And when you do, share a bit about your own detox journey and story and why you feel you are at the stage you chose. Then, on your own, really study the Divine Detox Success Path handout and contemplate what your next step is on your success path. And you can share that too in the Facebook group if you'd like to. Again, I'll be reading and responding to all your comments and questions, and I'm happy to help you determine where you are and where you want to go on your detox and healing success path. So, what do you think of the Divine Detox Success Path? Isn't it easier seeing how everything fits? And most importantly, doesn't it feel good knowing where you are on your path, what you should focus on right now, and where you are going next, regardless of where you are on your journey? Do you see how this clarity will help you get detox results easier and faster? Because you have a navigation system to lead you on your detox path. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually implement and put into practice what you learned today, much easier and faster. If you're a detox beginner, I will lay out the exact plan so you can get detox results quickly without falling into all the detox pitfalls. And if you're a more advanced detoxer, you'll be able to build on what you've already successfully done by following specific steps designed to get you past what's holding you back and help you get back on track and reach your goals. And speaking of learning how to have a more successful detox, a lot of detox goddesses are already aware that I'll be opening my Divine Detox monthly membership group soon. And I know many of you are curious about it and have questions about how it works, and will have questions about this detox success path that will be the main feature of the membership. I would really love to see all you detox goddesses in there. So in the next video, I'll talk more about the membership and how you can join. So if you're interested in moving forward and want to know how, you'll want to join me in the next video when I lay it all out for you. And before I go, I want to leave you with this inspiration. You are all doing just awesome in the Facebook group, and I'm amazed at the progress many of you have already made to move forward on your detox and healing journey. Just by taking part in this workshop, you're much closer to knowing how to get detox results so you can achieve radiant health. Think about video 1, where you learned how to use the food formula so you know what to eat and when to eat it. Then you made big strides in video 2, where you learned how to create your own customized detox menu and recipes by knowing how to use the menu planner to plug in stress-free detox meals so you have a written plan so you won't be tempted to eat foods that don't serve your detox. This training alone has shown you how to experience a healthier and happier life. And it's amazing how simple it can be once you have the specific steps and tools. And then today you got the complete blueprint, so you can learn to stay on your detox diet and have greater success with it. Isn't it easier knowing every step along the path you need to take for detox success? So in the next video, I'll share the next step on your journey. I'm very excited about what's in store for you and how it's going to rock your detox and your world. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being an awesome detox goddess. Namaste.